So guys, now we'll be studying about law of sines. Law of sines. So let's take a triangle. Triangle A, B and C. Let A be the magnitude of this and this. Now what we'll do, we'll drop a perpendicular from C onto AB and let's name it as H1. Now we know, taking triangle A, C and D. Taking triangle ACD, sin A is equal to H1 by B, and triangle BCD, sin B is equal to H1 by A. So H1 is equal to B sin A and H1 is equal to A sin B, equating 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, we get B sin A is equal to A sin B. Therefore, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B. Similarly, we can draw a perpendicular like this and name it as H2. So therefore, H2. So sin A will be equal to H2 by C and sin C will be equal to H2 by A, considering this triangle and this triangle. So C sin A will be equal to A sin C, equating H2. Therefore, A by sin A will be equal to C by sin C. So, when you look at 3 and 4, we can say that when you look at 3 and 4, we can say that A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Now its application part. Suppose there are two forces, one in this direction and one in this direction, and we say that force is acting towards y direction. So we'll draw a parallel. Resultant is acting in this direction. So we'll draw a parallel line to this force F, and this is Fr. Suppose this is 200 Newton, this is F. We know that it is inclined at 45 degree, it is given, and this is 30 degree to X, 30 degree to X. Now this will also be 45 degree. Now if we draw a line like this, we know that this is also 45. So this will be 45 and this will be 30. So we have a triangle and we can use this law of sines. So magnitude of this is 200, angle is 75 degree, this is F, this is FR, this is 60 degree, this is 45 degree. Now we know by using law of sines, F by sine 60 will be equal to 200 by sine 45. So F will be equal to 200 into sine 60 divided by sine 45. Similarly, we can solve FR. FR divided by sine 75 will be equal to 200 divided by sine 45. So FR will be equal to 200 sine 75 divided by sine 45. So law of sines can be used to find the resultant forces or the unknown forces. Thank you.